Aboard the Disney Dream and Disney Fantasy, you will find the AquaDuck, a water coaster designed by Walt Disney Imagineering that takes guests on a wild ride around the upper decks of the ship. Your raft will seat 1 or 2 guests, and you will travel 765 feet through the winding tubes around the ship. But before you begin your ride, you must climb up the stairs found on Deck 12 to the top of the ship's funnel. For more adventures and news aboard the Disney Cruise Line, be sure to like and subscribe.